Very good afternoon, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. We are very happy to show you the live performance of our indicator MST iCore 2.0 on October 30, 2023. Already in the Telegram channel and morning also we have released one Tamil video about the performance of today's Bank Nifty. Let me show you what is the end of the performance today. End of the day's performance. So as you all know what we are supposed to do, we have to create one trading view free account. Okay, free account is enough. Then you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, also to subscribe our indicator. After subscribing to our indicator, the indicator will be available in our invite only script. Go here and add this to your chart and select the script whichever you want to trade. These are the initial steps what we are supposed to follow. After that, once the market has opened, so we have to reset the indicator to default settings. These are the settings we are supposed to do in the morning initially. So now I will show you with the bar replay option. So now market has just opened, and immediately once the market has opened, our algorithm will be learning the market conditions. Okay, so now you see exactly buy has been activated, and if you see the previous candles, it is having the bahubali, which means the body of the candle is very big. So what we can do, we can either wait so that it can be extended using the Kabaddi calculation. Otherwise, you can simply follow the default setting method if you don't understand what is the bahubali is. So now exactly buy has been triggered. Once buy is activated, we have to remove the sell. Per day only one side trade only. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy until SL hit. If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal trade. If you want, you can extend the targets. So by default there will be 3 targets. If you want, you can extend the targets. Suppose if you want to have the entire movement of the market, what you can do, initially you take 3 lots. Book the first lot at the first target and revise the stop loss to cost, and book the second lot at the second target and revise stop loss to first target, and book the third target and exit from the market. So this is how you can get the exact movement of the market. So now let us see what happened today in Bank Nifty. So first buy activated, we are waiting for the buy target, and buy target is 548, buy target hit, and the next one 682, second target hit, and the third one is 817. Now we have revised stop loss to first target, and we have been waiting for the third target. So we don't know whether we will get third target or not, but market is running. We have been watching with our strict stop loss. Already we are in a profit. See exactly our third target also hit. So now the fourth target is 42,951. So now you may not be knowing whether the market will give fourth target or third target or not. So for that, what we are having, the 21 moving average will be helpful for you. So go scroll down, and you will be able to see one option called EMA 21 moving average. So now you can see, as long as the market is above the 21 moving average, you can be in the market. You don't have to exit from the trade. As long as it is below the market, you can be in a sell trending mode. So now perfectly 4 targets has been hit. So what we will be doing, we will be keeping one tiny 2 SL and tiny 2 target. So now I have kept tiny SL and tiny targets. So you can keep tiny 2 SL and tiny target, so that you may be getting 1:2 ratio targets. So that's all. So this is how we have to trade. So if you want to make a career in share market, if you are using our indicator, it will be very helpful for you, so that you will not face any losses. Okay, we are not telling you 100% profit you will be getting, but 100% overall profit you will be getting than your loss. So your loss will be very small and your profit will be bigger. So that is why. So in the bank contract, what they are giving, maximum they will be giving 5%, 6%. So there is one app called Bharat Pay, okay, 12% app. So what they are telling, they are claiming that they are giving only the highest interest. They are giving the highest interest. So now if we see all the targets has been hit, I will continue with the next video. Someone has come, I have to answer him. Thank you all, bye bye, all the best.